Hello, friends. My name is Niketa Dedhia, and I'm signing in from the Exponent Consultancy Services, ECS. At ECS, we help and guide students across all fields and across all levels of international debt-free higher education. It's been an endeavor while we are doing the sector analysis. It's also been an endeavor to bring about new offbeat topics or new offbeat fields that have opened up for international students to study in an international setting, yet in a debt-free fashion. So today's topic would be within the medical sector, because medicine was closed for a very long time for international students to study with 100% scholarship or with a large amount of scholarship. And now it's opened up, and you'd be happy to know that there are various interesting fields that have opened up for international students to study. Today, I'm going to touch upon 4 such very interesting fields. The first is studying medical photonics. Photonics, what really is that? Or what is medical photonics? Basically, when you understand the cause of diseases, there are so much diseases today that are, around all of us, and sometimes diseases that we've never heard of. So understanding the cause of diseases, facilitating early diagnosis. We hear people say, had he or she been diagnosed earlier, they could have been saved. Well, medical photonics is a breakthrough in the field of medicine. So it means facilitating an early diagnosis and providing a very specific, effective treatment within the modern scope of medicine. So, for example, light plays a key role in turning this ambitious vision into reality. How? So, medical research, modern optical and photonic techniques allow for monitoring and manipulating life processes in cells and tissues on a molecular level, because all diseases are further broken down into cells and tissues. So this would be that. And to meet the demand of scientists into various established fields of medicine like ophthalmology, endoscopy, and biomedical imaging. And thus, it's an interdisciplinary field of medical photonics within the faculties of medicine, chemistry, earth sciences, physics, astronomy, and so much more. It conveys basic and advanced insights into the quickly developing field of medical photonics. So students can come from the field of physics, chemistry, biochemistry, or biology, but also doctors who have been students of medicine can be joining this field to be an exemplary example and a specialist in the field of medical photonics. The second field that I'm going to talk about today is epidemiology. Well, with new health risks that are coming up with our changing life conditions, there is always something new come up as a risk and pushing the health spectrum of the society into more chronic and a very partially preventable illness, along with the methodology and analytical knowledge available for us within various fields and within the public health. These students would have an opportunity to study various specializations within epidemiology, like clinical epidemiology, genetic epidemiology, or environmental and occupational epidemiology. So this is going to be a very interesting study. The next is immunology. Well, we always hear of words like, hey, boost up your immunity system, or do not eat this or eat this, or this will have an effect on your immune system. And there are always these chronic autoimmune diseases or allergic diseases too, or implications of infectious diseases. So studying all of that as a part of your master's or PhD program would be a very interesting field for students who want to enjoy various types of clinical immunology and tackling these type of diseases. The next set within the field of medicine is laboratory animal sciences. Well, this is a little bit of step within the veterinary medicine sciences, and you could be studying various fields within this, like regulatory affairs for vet medicine, or breeding, anatomy, physiology, hematology, experimental surgery. Today, even our pets are facing a lot of these kind of problems with hygiene or quality management and alternative animal experiments and surgery and biostatistics, biometrics, yes, for our pet. So if you want to be a specialist within this field, there are so many opportunities. And the last but not the least, if you wish to be a manager or management within the health or international health, you can study global health risk management and hygiene policies. So today I've spoken about very unique offbeat medical fields, very specific medical fields like medical photonics, epidemiology, immunology, lab animal sciences, and global health risk management and hygiene policies. You can study all of that and you can write into us to study that, to get into these programs, which are international, debt-free higher education. We'll help you, guide you, mentor you to get into these very excellent programs. These are internationally recognized programs and at a fraction of a cost that you would otherwise pay. So you'll write into us at queries@exponentconsultants.com. I repeat, queries@exponentconsultants.com. Write in with your academic resume and your list of questions. Thus, ECS experts will dive deep into finding out where exactly you need our help, and we'll figure out a strategy to achieve your goal. We'll work for your success because your success is our success. So signing out is Niketa Dedhia, and don't forget to write that email, queries@exponentconsultants.com. Thank you.